Hey everybody and welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's having a fabulous day today. If you are into vacuums just as much as I am, then you're going to be obsessed with my channel. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you want me to bug you every single Sunday, then hit the little bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. It's at Joshie.Michael. So today's video I have another vacuum unboxing. I picked this up from Amazon, and it is the Hoover commercial HushTone, the 15-inch cleaning brush roll path, and I think they call it the IntelliBelt. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. So let's open it up. I slid open the top, but that is all. I've never seen this in person, just from YouTube and pictures online. So hopefully I'll like it. If not, I'll just send it back. Alright, I have all my tools prepared if I need them. I don't think you actually do with this one, but I don't know. So it is actually, I don't know if you can see, here we go. It is assembled in the United States, which is pretty cool. I do like that a lot, so I like it. And yeah, here's the box. And I cut it open. And then inside, it's just all, can you see, it's just all wrapped up in the cardboard and stuff. HushTone. This is kind of like, this is really like crinkled. Okay, well, whatever. Not like it matters anyway. Okay. And this is just kind of in a really oversized bag. That's odd. Okay. This is the handle. So it's like aluminum. And then it has this, okay, this is plastic, but there is like rubber on the top and the bottom. For some reason I thought the controls were up here. Okay, I don't know. Alright, let's throw that over there. We have the cord, which is essentially just like a giant orange extension cord. I believe they have it that way, like, because it's like a commercial vacuum. So if you damage the cord by, I mean, I don't know how you would, I mean, you would really have to like do something to break these, but whatever. All right, I'm not okay, where's the top, where's the bottom? I'm not really sure. Okay. Oh my. Okay, so here's that. Here's another crinkled up situation. Oh, this is the quick start guide, okay. Okay, this is the top. Why is that all like... Ugh. That's it for that, so we'll zip it over here. Can you see this? And here is a crevice tool. This is like scratched up. Why is this so scratched? Like, seriously? It's like kind of... Huh. And here we go. So, it's, I mean, it feels like the weight of my, like my Maytag or like the Mila. It doesn't feel like it's This is supposed to go up there. Okay. Ooh, I like the bumper. It's kind of like marked up weirdly, but why is this like? What is that? Is that scratched? Is this like a return? We need to look at the bottom. Okay, maybe not. This is even scratched up on this bottom part too. Probably because it is freaking like thrown around. Alright, I really like the wheels though. They are rubber. It's got a nice, can you see this? There's a squeegee. Okay, so it's got like a really nice brush roll. It's got a squeegee here. There's the metal front plate, which has, well, let's just peel it off because I'm not keeping like this crap on here. This is stupid. Okay, we're gonna rip this off because I don't like looking at that. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Goodbye. Well, that's even, they had the plastic on it was scratched. Maybe it's just because when they're in the factory, they just are a little rougher with them. I don't know. Well, I like all these things. Okay, it has, I don't know what I'm doing. Wait a minute, where, let me get this. There. Okay, the crevice tool, here's the, like the back. This is supposed to go here. That. So you got the wand, you can just like release it. Here's a handle release. The on, okay, the on-off button is here. So that's like a 2-speed thing. It has a HEPA filter. It's a rinsable, it says rinsable and sealed. Assembled in the USA. Okay. IntelliBelt. Permanent belt. I don't like this dot on the front though, that's like bugging me. Can I get that off? I can't deal with that. I know it's like so dumb, but it's like gonna drive me crazy. I can't tell if the plat, it's like, I don't know. I'll worry about it later. Alright, let's, oh, it has a system check. Here, let's just, I'm assuming that you just go like this. I imagine, right? Oh, okay. Well, yeah. I like that you don't have to use any tools to snap the thing on. I mean, that it actually feels pretty sturdy. Like it feels like it's like plastic, but this is like a little bubbly. Like the mold wasn't like, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, here is the bag. There. So that's how that goes. This is just a cloth bag. I don't really like that. I am definitely more of a HEPA filter bag lover. There's like that's like not even sitting on there, right? Is it? Wait a minute. What is going on? What is happening? What is going on here? Maybe it's supposed to be like that? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm guessing this is like a carbon, like for a carbon dust or whatever. Okay. I just don't feel like that's on there right, is it? I guess it is. It's just supposed to sit there. There's no, is there a, well, I guess it is sort of got a seal on the inside, like that area. Okay. I don't feel like that bag door is on there like properly. It doesn't look right. Why does it look off? it's sitting down here. It's like not like sitting like, I don't know, it's like weird. I'll mess with it later. I don't fucking know. It doesn't feel like it's tight. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, so we have high carpet, commercial carpet, high traffic, bare floor. It's like a hand thing. Alright, whatever. Let's do this thing. Whatever. I think I did everything. Tool free maintenance. Oh, okay, yeah, so you don't need any tools. Press here to power on. Choosing your cleaning setting. Changing the rag. Well, it's pretty self-explanatory. There's not really. Okay. Let's fire it up. So I've heard pretty good things about this. I know it's got like good like ratings for stuff. We'll see. Alright, let me get this plugged in here. So, there's not really like I'm not sure how I guess you just carry it from here? I guess, okay, let's plug it in. There we go. Make sure it's off, okay, it's off. You guys can't really see this, can you? Did I not have this in frame like the whole freaking time? God. Alright. Okay, it's got a foot release. So this is like, it's not really that heavy actually. Can you even see this? Hopefully. Okay, let's fire it up. That's low. Let's do high. It's not that loud. It's definitely pulling, it's like, I mean, you can tell it's got a lot of suction. Wow, okay. Okay. And then, if red, change bag, check for clogs. Okay. And then, here's the wand release. Oh wait, just kidding. Is it this? Okay. Is this telescopic? I guess it's not. I thought this was. Is this not telescopic? Because I thought it was. I don't know what that is for. Okay. So then the hose. Yeah, it seems it's got a nice hose. Let's try it out. That's low. I feel like I need like an extension. brush roll is going, so that's... Okay. Kind of makes an interesting noise. The dogs are going crazy. Alright, well, that's interesting. I really thought this had an extension. I feel like it should have one. It'd be like, then it'd be really nice. Okay, well, there we go. There we go. Congratulations. Why are my dogs going crazy right now? I don't know. Where is they here? We're talking. Where are these words here? Daddy's just talking to himself again. Okay, let me like figure this out. Like this is like kind of annoying. Like why is this like annoying? I don't get it. Okay, whatever. I'm over it. Here we go. Here's the Hoover. Suck it up like a Hoover. Ah, this is too funny. Okay, I can get this out of the way so I can get like a thumbnail. We need a thumbnail. Here we go. Thumbnail. Okay, there we go. All right. Oh my gosh, I have no idea what I'm doing. If you have this, please leave a comment in the comment section down below about it. And yeah, I'm gonna go see why my dogs are going psycho. So thank you guys for watching. So until next week, you guys keep it tight. Talk to you later. Bye.